Tips on window cleaning. It's a good idea once a year again to spend some time with a bucket of water and some soap and clean out everywhere around the windows, in the tracks, around the sashes. If they're double hungs, tilt them in, clean them everywhere. For washing windows, basically, mild soap, maybe a little bit of vinegar in there too, is good for the windows. Some elderly lady told me once, you don't wash windows, you polish glass. The frames on the windows should be cleaned with a mild soap and then rinse it after. A lot of people get frustrated with the little tracks on sliders that have to be cleaned. On a casement window, for instance, there's a very small track at the bottom, a very small one at the top. These things have to be cleaned once in a while, otherwise things will get difficult to open, the cranks will break on you. Screens don't have to be removed on all the windows. On sliders where the screen is on the outside, you do not have to remove the window every time. Just run the vacuum cleaner over it. It'll do a wonderful job onto it. The casement windows, take the screen out, wash it with a little bit of soap if you want, rinse it off, and it'll dry when it gets back into its place. So once in a while, take out the silicone spray and spray the windows. When you're cleaning the glass, it's a good idea. Just spray all the mechanisms, closers, the locks, the tracks. A little bit of spray in there will make things work a lot smoother. So just take some time, once a year at least, to clean the windows properly. For more information, give us a call or check out our website.